Question number 6. Mr. Shua's car consumes petrol at an average rate of 8 liters daily. Before Mr. Shua begins his journey, he tops up the petrol in his car to 100 liters. Given that he will next top up the petrol in his car when there are 20 liters left, form an inequality and solve it to find the maximum number of days he can travel before he has to top up the petrol in his car. As we have given that the daily consumption of petrol is at the rate of 8 liters per day, and he has 100 liters already in the car, and he will top up again when there is a quantity of 20 liters left. It means we have to find in how many days he will consume 80 liters, because there are total 100 liters and there must be left only 20 liters. So he have to consume 80 liters to next top up the petrol in his car. As the consumption is 8 liters per day, so we will find in how many days he will consume 80 liters. Rate of consumption is 8 liters per day. Consumed liters will be equal to 100 minus 20 is equal to 80 liters. Suppose maximum days is equal to x. If the maximum days are 2, then at the rate of 8 liters per day, consumption will be 16. 8 multiplied by 2, 16. And if maximum days are 3, then the consumption will be 8 3 times 24. Similarly, if maximum days are 5, then the maximum consumption will be 40. Here there are maximum days and here there is rate, and there will become total quantity, means total liters. So if maximum number of days is x, then multiplied by rate it will become 8x. It will become 8x. So 8x must be less than or equal to 80, because he have to consume 80 liters. So the maximum number of liters will be 80 or less than 80. And as from calculation 8 multiplied by x is total number of liters. Here it is total number of liters. So it must be equal to or it must be less than 80. And now we will solve this inequality. 8 will be dividing 80. It will become x is less than or equal to 80 divided by 8. 8 once 8. 8 10 times 80. X is less than or equal to 10. It means Mr. Shah will next top up the petrol in his car after 10 days, 9 days, 8 days or 7 days. But the maximum number of days is equal to 10. Question number 7. If the sum of three consecutive integers is less than 75, Find the cube of the largest possible integer. Let me observe that which are consecutive integers, as integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are -1, -2, -3 and so on. These two are consecutive, 1 and 2. 0 and 1 also consecutive. Consecutive means if we add an integer, then it becomes the next consecutive integer. Suppose we add 1 in 0, then it will become 1. If we add 1 in this 1, it will become 2. If we add 1 in 2, it will become 3. If we add 1 in 3, it will become 4. And if we add 1 in 4, it will become 5. So by adding 1, we will get next integer. And as we have 3 integers, so we will suppose the first integer. Just suppose the first integer is 3. Then the next one will be 3 plus 1, which is 4. And the next one will be 4 plus 1, which is 5. And similarly, the next one will be 5 plus 1, which is 6. Adding 1 each time, you will have a new integer and the new next consecutive integer. So we will suppose first integer. Let first integer is x. Then what will be the second integer? Second integer will be x plus 1. And what will be the third integer? Third integer will be x plus 1 plus 1, because we have already added this 1 in second integer. Now this one will be added in third integer. The third integer will be x plus 2. And now the sum of three consecutive integers is x is first integer, plus x plus 1, it is second integer, plus x plus 2, it is third integer. And the sum is less than 75. Sum is less than 75. Now adding x plus x plus x, it will become 3x. And 1 plus 2, 3, less than 75. 3x less than 75 minus 3. 3x is less than 72 and x is less than, we will divide 72 by 3. 72 divided by 3. X is less than 3 ones 3, 2 3s are 6, and this 2 will become 12. 4 3s are 12. So it will be 24. X is less than 24. And what is less than 24? The consecutive integer which is less than 24 is 23. So x must be equal to 23. Now we want to find largest possible integer, then we will find its cube. As x is the first integer, now second integer will be x plus 1, which will be 23 plus 1, and which is 24. And the third integer is x plus 2, and x is 23, so plus 2 will become 25. First integer is 23, second integer is 24, and the third integer is 25. You can see that third integer is the largest possible integer. So we will find cube of this largest possible integer, and cube of this integer will be cube of 25 is equal to 25 cube. Multiplying 25 by itself 3 times, it will be 15,625. So it is the cube of largest possible integer.